Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay Netflix using Bkash. So let's get into the video. So if you want to pay using Bkash for Netflix, you can do so by using this website here, jubelly.com. So just simply go to this site here, jubelly.com. Just type that in and then go to their page. So here, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and then look for Netflix here. So under vouchers you will see Netflix. So here, for example, I have a Netflix one option here, so you can just open up Netflix. So whatever option you see, just open up Netflix and then select a package that you wish to buy one. So simply select on it and then hit on go to payment. So once you have go to this payment page here, so this is the checkout page. So here what you're going to do, you're going to fill in your billing details here, so whatever your email address, name and all those details, and then your order details is here. So when you scroll down on your payment method, you're going to choose your Bkash personal, so you select the Bkash option here. So select that and then just provide your Bkash account number and all those details. So once you have provided all those Bkash details, simply scroll down and hit on place order. So so once you place order, then your order will be processed. So that's how you can use your Bkash to buy Netflix. So this is the only option we have, as you cannot directly purchase it off Netflix website. So that's the workaround we have here. So hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.